Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make colourful juice, a refreshing, healthy and vibrant drink that's perfect for any season. For this recipe, you'll need a mix of your favourite colourful fruits. I'm using fresh oranges, juicy watermelon, sweet pineapple, kiwi and strawberries. You can use any of your favourite fruits. Just make sure they are fresh and ripe for the best flavour and colour. First, wash all your fruits thoroughly. This ensures that your juice will be pure and refreshing. Then cut them into small pieces so they are easy to blend. This also helps to extract more juice from the fruits. To get a colourful layered effect, we will blend each fruit separately. Start with watermelon, then pineapple, oranges, kiwi, and finally strawberries. Blend each one into a smooth juice without adding water. This keeps the natural taste rich and refreshing. Now for the fun part. Take a tall glass and gently pour each juice layer on top of the other. The different colors will stack up beautifully, making your juice look as good as it tastes. You can also use a straw to help you layer the colors. Add a few ice cubes to keep your juice cool and refreshing. Garnish with fresh mint and your colorful juice is ready to enjoy. This juice is not only visually stunning, but it's also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Watermelon is a great source of hydration and lycopene. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and bromelain. Oranges are high in vitamin C and fiber. Kiwi is a good source of vitamin C and potassium. And strawberries are packed with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. This colourful layered juice is perfect for any occasion. It's a great way to add some colour to your day and to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. It's also very easy to make. Just blend the fruits separately and layer them in a glass. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious ideas. You can also check out my other videos for more healthy and refreshing juice recipes. Now let's get blending and make this colourful juice. Don't forget to tag me on social media so I can see your beautiful creations. Happy blending and stay healthy.